Hello students! Hello Primary 5 students! This is Master George, your math teacher. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now we continue the exercise last week. This is exercise and letter D. Okay, last time we stopped letter C and then this is letter D. Okay, check in your book. Okay, use the following digits to the right, the smallest and the greatest number you can form. Use each digit only once. The number should not start with 0. Okay na? You use the digits here. And then you write the smallest number and the greatest number. Okay, you can see in the box. Number 1, the smallest number you can form is, you write with the smallest number to the biggest number. You arrange the number. The smallest number here is 0. But we cannot start with 0. We start with number 3. Next number is, the smallest number is 0. We can now write the number 0. Next is 4. Next is 6. Next is 8. And the last is 9. This is the smallest number you can form. 304,689. For the greatest number, you can write the biggest number. Start with number 9. You arrange from the biggest number 9. Next is 8, 6, 4, 3, and 0. This is the number for the greatest number you can form. 986,430. Okay, students? Do you understand? Okay, next is number 2. The smallest number you can see is 0, but we cannot start with 0. We start with number 1. Next, we can write with 0. Next is 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. The smallest number you can form is 1,045,689. Correct? Very good, student. For the greatest number, you arrange the number from the biggest number. Okay? The biggest from 9. Next is 8, 6, 5, 4, 1, and 0. Okay? The number is 9,865,410. Okay? Next is number 3. You can say the smallest number here, number 3, 0, the same. But we cannot start with 0. You write with 1. Next is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 9. What is the answer? The answer is 10,234,679. Okay, for the greatest number, you start with the biggest number also. Biggest number is 9. 9, next is 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, this is the number. The number is 97,643,210. Correct, students? This is the greatest number or biggest number you can form. For number 4, smallest number start with 0, but you cannot start with 0. Start with 1. Next is 0, kaday. 0. Next is 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is the answer. Start with 1. Next is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you read the number, this is 102,346,789. Correct, students? For the greatest number, you start with the biggest number also. You can start with 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay? The number here is, if you read the number, is 987,643,210. Check your answer, students. Okay, very good. Now let's move to our new lesson about rounding numbers. Okay? What is rounding numbers? To round a number to the nearest 10. Okay? We round it to the multiple of 10 nearest to it. A number which is midway is always rounded up. Okay, example number 1. Example number 1. 26 is rounded to 30. Tens na is 2. Your reference number is 6. 6 is greater than 5. Yes. You round the number. 2 becomes 30. Now you have 30. Next is 132. 2 is your reference number to 3. Smaller than 5, you don't change. You make it 0. The answer is 130. Next is 825. 825, tens is 2, but your reference number is 5. 5, you rounded it off. Rounded to 3 becomes 830. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you rounded off. You rounded the number. To round the number to the nearest 100, the same steps na. We round it to the multiple of 100, nearest to it. A number which is midway is always rounded up. The same steps with tens. Okay? Example number 2. 8. The reference number is 2. It's less than 5. 0. Rounded to 800 only. 1,259. Hundreds is 2. Your reference number is 5. 5, 6. You rounded off the number, becomes 1,300. Okay? Next is 850. It's rounded to 900. 5. 5 na. Your reference number is 5. 990. Now to round a number to the nearest 1,000, we round it to the multiple of 1,000 nearest to it. A number which is midway is always rounded up. The same step with tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay? Example number 3. 4 is in thousands, but your reference number next to it is 8. 8 is greater than 5. Becomes 5,000. 1,259. 2. Reference number is 2. Less than 5. The same. 1,000. Next is 2,500. 5. No care. Bigger. 5, 6, 7. Round the number to 3,000. Do you understand, students? When 4,828 is rounded to 5,000, we can write like this: approximately equal to. Okay? The word approximately equal to. This is the symbol. Okay? Not equal sign. Approximately equal to sign. Okay, let's move to your exercise, students. For your next exercise is this. Only A, B, C. Okay? Exercise 1.3. Letter A. Round the numbers to the nearest 10. 10. Then write the answer using the symbol approximately equal to. 28. 8 is more than 5. Becomes 30. 188. 8 is more than 5. Is the same. Round to 190. 250. 50. Next is 0. 0 less than 5. The same. 250. Next is 101. Next to 0 is 1, not more than 5. The same, 100. Letter B. Round the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay. 100. Number 1 is 252. 2 is in 100. 5, next is 5 is greater than or equal to 5. You round the number to 300. Number 2, 5,389. The number in hundreds place is 3. Next is 8, more than 5. You round it to 5,400. Okay. Next is number 3. 4,500. 5 is in hundreds place. Next is 0. The answer is the same. 4,500. Next is 909. The 100 place is 9. Next is 0. The answer is 900. Okay? You can write approximately equal to sign all of this. Okay, students? Not equal sign, approximately equal to. Letter C. Round the numbers to the nearest 1,000. Okay, the last exercise for today. Thousands place na. Number 1 is 4,595. The 1,000 place is 4. Next is 5. You round it off. Round off to 5,000. Number 2, 64,322. 4 is in 1,000 place. Next is 3. The answer is 64,000. Number 3. The nearest 1,000 is, the 1,000 place is 9. Next to 9 is 9. You change 9. And then the answer is 1,000. Okay, students? And the last is number 4. 1,500. Next to 1 is 5. 5 is okay. You rounded the number to 2,000. Okay, students, please check your answer. A, B, C. Okay, that's all for today. Part D and E next. We will teach that next week. Okay, students, check your answer. And then if you are finished, okay, thank you. Thanks for watching, students. Bye-bye. See you next week.